Welcome again on Igbo History TV. Please kindly subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. Turn on the notification icon for more updates.
The Fulanese has conquered this village. They started so many. In fact, they killed uncountable number of people. They are bringing in the Fulanese Janjaweed jihadist system into our land. But we've promised them that not even all of our landed properties will be given to them. Not at all, not in this life. It's not going to be possible. Look at it. People have run away. Their properties, everything. Look at their homes. Yeah. So their homes everywhere deserted. The men are out. Eastern Security Network are out. Look at the men are out. The men are out. Eastern Security Network. The real men are out. The real men are out. Look at it. We are going into the forest, looking for them. Looking for them. The men are out. We are looking for the Fulanis. This is how we've been going into the forest, looking for all of them. In the Zuga, the enemies will run away. The enemies will be destroyed.